Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In this video, I'm gonna show you how you can open Google Drive in mobile phone. It's super easy and we will make sure you get it right. You just make sure you are logged in and using the latest version and make sure to watch the complete video carefully to avoid forgetting anything and making mistakes. So guys, find and open the Google Drive app on your Android device. And here you can see Drive options. Tap right here. Now here you can see your Google Drive is open and this is your home page, right? And here are different options you can see right here. Now to search for files in Google Drive, tap the search drive bar at the top of the app and type a word or phrase in the search box. Tap search in your keyboard to see all the result. Let's tap search here. And here you can see search bar options and here are different videos that I have been uploaded to my Google Drive app. Now go back. Sorry. So guys, if you want to share a file through a link or email, tap the plus sign in the drive and select the option according to your requirement to upload a file. Tap right here in the plus option and here you can see you can upload your photos, you can create a folder, and you can scan something, Google Slides, Google Sheets and Google Documents. So this is how you can easily manage your Google Drive in your Android. Hope you guys like my video. Please consider showing your support by commenting, liking, sharing and subscribing to my channel for more valuable content in the future.